How to turn off notification on Google Chrome. So just open up your Google Chrome browser. Now go up to the top right corner. Click on these three dots. Go down to this one, Settings. Click on that. And now go to the left sidebar and click on Privacy and Security. And under Privacy and Security, just go down and click on Site Settings. And make sure to watch this video to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Then go down to this one, Permissions. Now click on Notifications. So here we see our notification settings. So we see block. That means these websites cannot send notifications. If you go down to this one, allow, we have websites that can send us notifications. Alright. So now just go to one of these. So let's say I want to block Netflix notifications. Just go to this small arrow, click on that. And go to this one, Notifications. Now click on this drop down menu and click on block. Like that. So let's go back by clicking on this arrow and go to block. And now we can see that we have Netflix under blocked notifications. So comment below if this worked for you, yes or no. Okay everyone, so I hope this video solved your problem. Don't miss out on my latest video right here. Just click on this image. So I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.